All right, this is what you need. Romaine hearts. As you can see, they're full hearts. They last a lot longer. If you buy the stuff that's cut up already, it's not going to last but maybe a week. So what you're going to do, just going to cut some of this off, right? Easy. Simple. I'm going to throw it into the bowl. Pick it up. Just like that. All right, you're going to grab your cuke. Slice off a chunk. Cut it in half, like so. All right, so now you got this, like this. Put it back together. Cut yourself some slices, just like this. Make yourself something pretty. When you get down to the end, do them individually so you don't cut your finger. All right, now here's the pretty part. Watch this. I'm gonna put these around the edge like this. Almost makes it look like a little, kind of like a flower. Just like this. And it depends on the shape of your bowl and how much cucumber she likes. But I used to get really good at judging the exact amount of cucumber I needed to cut off. But if you need more, you need more. And if you cut too much, that goes right in my pie hole. So you're gonna make this look pretty for your mom, all right? Look at that. Oh, and look at how perfect that was, bro. Come on, man, it was perfect. All right, now you're gonna take your tomatoes. I don't know how many she likes, but I like to cut them in half. You can throw them on top there. Make a design if you want. I like other stuff on there. I like carrots and celery, but I know your mom just wants cucumbers, tomatoes, and feta. I didn't buy feta, but I'm pretty sure you know how to break apart feta, being Greek and all. So we're just gonna load this up. At this point, right, make it look pretty. At this point, you crumble your feta over it, right? And then you can make it in the to-go containers so you can stack them up and have a bunch of them ready. It takes, you saw how quick that is. It doesn't take any longer, much longer to do 2 of them, you know, twice as much of everything. Just gonna cut myself some celery. There you go. Voila. Make that for your mom. See you soon.